this one's a nice one. It's a new third-party integration. So this is a product called Vpress. Now, the example that I'm about to show you is kind of a web-to-print example, but you should actually think about the Vpress tool as a tool that can handle almost any kind of complex configuration of a product. So imagine not just like a business card designer, but a window configurator or a door configurator, depending on the industry that you're in. Again, you kind of have to exercise your imagination here. So when we integrate third-party systems, we really try and do that in a seamless way. We don't like to punch out to their website and then round trip back in. We try and keep the experience seamless inside EvolutionX. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to show you the ability to design and personalize a business card, add that to the shopping cart, then throw some normal product in beside that, and then check the whole thing out. Okay, so here is my blank business card template. If I go ahead and click customize, what I'm doing at this point is I'm invoking the Vpress experience. So this is the Vpress experience loading inline inside EvolutionX in this modal pop-up. Now, this happens to be a business card, right? And so I can fill in some detail here. God, why can't you spell when people are watching? Look away, you guys are making me nervous. Okay. Put my telephone number in there, and a mobile, and an email address. Okay. I can go ahead and select an address that I would like to be from a predefined list of address. And then once I've done all of that information, I can refresh the proof and I can see all that stuff show up live and in real time. I've got a few options at this point. I could actually save this. I'll call it saved option 3 so that I can use it on a future session. And then once I'm happy, I can go ahead and finish this, and that will wrap up the configuration here. That will go ahead and throw that item into the shopping cart. Now, it does it in a really intelligent way, because not only does it throw the item into the shopping cart, but it's bringing through the actual proof of the card that you just assigned, which is a really, really nice feature. So we subsequently could take this thing all the way through the checkout and add in the lever arch files and the envelopes or the hammers or the ladders or the caulk, depending on the industry you're in, and go ahead and take that all the way through the checkout process. So it's a very slick tool. And again, don't just think web to print, think any complex configuration of product, highly, highly configurable. Vpress is a good fit for that.